This is a manually controlled universal rotary dimmer of both leading edge and trailing edge, automatically identified. 300 watt load for LED, incandescent, and halogen. There is the over temperature, over current, overload protection on the dimmer, CE certified. Now we're going to introduce the wiring and the dimming performance. Let's take a look at the product itself. There is a rotary knob for dimming control, a micro switch for minimal brightness setting, 4 terminals to connect the load, push button, and live. This rotary dimmer works without neutral wire. The first one is to connect the load. P for push button. L is to live supply. Now we test the dimmer with the leading edge light. Press the knob once to turn on the light. Rotate it to dim down and dim up. Turn off it. Dimmer will be automatically identified to the trailing edge mode if changed to a trailing edge light. Press to turn on the lamp and rotate it to dim the brightness you want. Turn off it. Also, you can use the push button to control the lights.